equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, gather the necessary tools for cleaning your Dyson SV26. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a soft brush, a microfiber cloth, and a pair of scissors. Having these tools ready will make the process smoother and more efficient. Start by unplugging your vacuum cleaner to ensure safety. Next, remove the dustbin by pressing the release button. Empty the contents into a bin and rinse the dustbin under warm water. Avoid using any detergents, as they can damage the components. Allow it to dry completely before reassembling. Now, let's focus on the filter. The Dyson SV26 has a washable filter located at the top of the vacuum. Remove the filter by twisting it counterclockwise. Rinse it under cold water until the water runs clear. Do not use any cleaning agents. It's crucial to let the filter dry for at least 24 hours before reinserting it. If you find this process too challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring your vacuum is in top shape without any hassle. While the filter is drying, inspect the brush bar. To do this, flip the vacuum over and use your Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws securing the brush bar cover. Carefully lift the cover and remove the brush bar. Check for any hair or debris wrapped around it. Use scissors to cut away any tangled hair, and then clean the brush with a soft brush to remove dust. Once the brush bar is clean, reassemble it by placing it back into the vacuum and securing the cover with screws. Ensure everything is tightly fitted to avoid any operational issues. Next, let's clean the internal components. Use a microfiber cloth to wipe down the inside of the vacuum, focusing on areas where dust accumulates. Pay special attention to the motor housing and any vents. This will help maintain airflow and efficiency. If you notice any blockages in the hose or wand, detach them and check for clogs. You can use a long object, like a broom handle, to gently push out any debris. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy to get your vacuum serviced without any travel or calls. After cleaning, reassemble all parts, ensuring everything clicks back into place securely. Plug in your Dyson SV26 and give it a test run to ensure it's functioning properly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. We are here to help you keep your vacuum in excellent condition. Regular maintenance of your Dyson SV26 not only extends its lifespan but also ensures optimal performance. By following these steps, you can keep your vacuum cleaner running smoothly and efficiently. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.